since we have two objects on this work plane, at the right, you can see there's two options. Solid makes this object actually a solid. Hole makes it hollow. Now the difference between the two is this. If I left click and drag this object into this one here, they're not doing anything at the moment. But if I left click hole and drag and select everything and make sure I highlight over everything, a new option becomes available. And this is the group option. And if I select on group, the object that was selected whole actually cuts that object. Now I can undo to undo that, or if you ever at some point need to ungroup, left click and they have the ungroup option available to you.